Schools of psychology. School, a group of people, particularly writers, artists, and philosophers sharing similar ideas or methods, also called an approach. Before structuralism, psychology was a part of biology and philosophy. Structuralism. William Wundt and E.B. Titchener were pioneers. Wundt established the first psychological laboratory in 1879 in Leipzig, Germany. He studies the structure of conscious experience by introspection, marks the formal beginning of modern psychology, defines psychology as a study of conscious experience, aimed to identify the building blocks of conscious experience, sensation, feeling, and image as a building blocks. Introspection is a procedure in which individual or subjects in psychological experiment are asked to describe their own mental process or experiences scientifically in details. The method of introspection was criticized for being less scientific. Introspective accounts could not be verified by outside observers, hence criticized by other psychologists. Functionalism. William James and John Dewey were pioneers. Define psychology is the study of conscious experience. William James proposed consciousness as an ongoing stream of mental process interacting with the environment, believe that consciousness serves the important function of adaptation for the individual, aimed to study the adaptive function of conscious experience rather than building blocks of conscious, hence the name functionalism. Behaviorism. John Watson and B.F. Skinner were pioneers, rejected the structuralist and functionalist idea of psychology as the study of consciousness, defined psychology as the study of observable behavior or responses to stimuli, which can be measured and studied objectively, aimed to study observable behavior. Gestalt psychology. Wolfgang Kohler and Kurt Kafka were pioneers, rejected the structuralist idea of psychology as the study of consciousness as a composed of various elements, defined psychology as the study of holistic process of perceptual organization, believe that experience is a whole or Gestalt, whole is greater than the sum of its part, aimed to study principles of perceptual organization. Psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud and Carl Jung were pioneers, defined psychology as the study of human mind, proposed that consciousness consists of three levels: unconsciousness, preconsciousness, and the conscious. Proposed human mind consists of three parts. Id operates on pleasure principle, ego operates on reality principle, superego operates on the moral principle. Humanistic psychology. Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers rejected the behaviorist idea of human behavior as stimulus-response sequence, belief in human beings as a basically good and progressive, natural tendency to seek growth,